guys, welcome back to the Wandering Dabbler YouTube channel. Today we are going to be testing our Grog of the Eternal Voyager. It has been going for about 2 weeks now, actually I think 2 weeks on the day. And we're going to see exactly where the gravity's at and see how much changed and see how well it tastes. So stay tuned, and remember, if you like what you see, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button too as well, so you can see our future videos and see how this ends up turning out in the end. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. Alright, you're going to need your graduated cylinder here, guys. And like I always say, guys, make sure that your stuff is completely sanitized in your star sand. It literally just takes an ounce of this in a 5-gallon bucket, let it sit for a minute, it completely sanitizes your equipment. Also going to need your turkey baster, which the lid's down in here somewhere. Or the ball for the end of it, I guess, would be more accurate. Doesn't want to go on there, of course. Why would it? Here we go. Hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and get it off my arm here. Alright. Gonna want to go ahead and take this off. I had to put this twisty tie on there because it was wanting to pop off. I assume it was just because of the pressure. Go ahead and sit that to the side. Hopefully it doesn't fall over and get shit everywhere. Set that twisty tie off to the side. Get this down in there. Below all the stuff, of course, so I don't get a bunch of that stuff in there. That I didn't use back in there. Go ahead and put that back into my sanitizer, get that all cleaned out there. No point in letting it get all dirty. Then of course you need your hydrometer, which sanitize it as well, guys. Oh, I overfilled. I think, yeah, definitely overfilled. Blow off those bubbles so you can get a better reading here. And it's sitting around 1.056. So yeah, 1.056. So with it being around 1.056, which the original gravity was, what, 1.110. So do the math, guys. That's roughly 7.1% alcohol right now. That's actually pretty good. If I let this go dry, which I probably won't let it go dry, but if I do let it go dry, it'll be close to 14.7, 14.9, almost 15%. I won't let it go that high because like I told you before, guys, I like sweet stuff. But we'll see how much it goes. I'll let it go a little longer. I want to try to get close to around 10% myself. This one, I'm gonna let it go a little longer than my other one. But with that, let's go ahead and try this. See how this one tastes here, because just need a little bit. Going to put the rest back in there. Remember, guys, this is all sanitized, so it's perfectly fine for it to go back in there. Dry off my hand here real quick. Let's see here. I can smell the honey, and it's definitely fruity. I'm not getting any notes of anything else, although already does have nice legs on it. I can see it sticking to the glass here. Give it a little swirl. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow. Holy shiza. Yeah, I'm gonna let this go a couple days, but man, it is really good the way it is right now. You actually get that little hint of the pineapple. You can taste a bit of the raisin in there, and you get that kick from that pepper. It is really nice. It gives a really nice bite, guys. So I do highly recommend trying this out and making it yourself. It is really good. It was an experimentation, one that I came up with. It's turning out great. It's nice and sweet. It's got that hit from that pepper in there. You can get that fruit in there. It's really nice. Yeah, that pepper really comes through. I almost wonder if it'd be better killing down the pepper, maybe using a little less, or actually using whole pepper so it doesn't permeate everywhere. But that was actually really good. Wow, this is turning out to be a great mead, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stopper back on here. Let it go for a couple more days. Which I'm gonna use the twisty tie on here. Just to make sure that it stays on there nice and firm, doesn't pop off, because it was one to pop off on me. So yeah, there we go. Grog of the Eternal Voyager, guys. It is turning out great. It's going to be a great mead. So if you get the chance, go ahead and try this, guys. Try to make it yourself. And remember, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe for the next video that's coming out there. And like I always say, guys, thanks for wandering with me. I'll see you in the next dabble.